presenting a pre-owned 2018 Volkswagen Golf. This four-door hatchback has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed double-clutch transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 99,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.